Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Tech and welcome back to another video on my channel. So as you can tell, I've decided to change the setup of my video now that I'm able to sort of record my phone without a screen recorder. So yeah, if you do like this setup, then let me know in the comment section down below, or drop a like on the video, because obviously that would show me that you prefer this kind of setup. But today I'm showing you how to get Snapchat++, no computer, no jailbreak required at all. All you need is Tutu Helper. I'll have Tutu Helper in the description down below. So yeah, click on that link if you haven't got Tutu Helper already. So what we're going to do, head over inside Tutu Helper and we're going to hit that big green get it free button. And now it's going to start downloading. So if we go over to our manager section right there, we can see that obviously Snapchat is installing plus that is quite quickly, but as you can see it's not exactly a slow download, so it will be done quite soon. So yeah, and as you can see it's pretty much done. So yeah, we're just gonna install Snapchat++ there. That's gonna install on our home page, and the best thing about this version of Snapchat is that as you can see I have it there already. I don't need to delete that version of it, it's just the way that this version works. So as you can see, Snapchat is installing pretty damn quickly, and yeah, it shouldn't take too long to start with now. So yeah, we can head over into Snapchat++, and you will get kicked out a few times, but that's only because it's a new app. So I don't understand why it's not opening. I'm really not sure why. So if you guys can get it open, let me know. I'm not too sure as to why Snapchat isn't opening. You might have seen Daniel Zambas's video on this, so his obviously works. I don't get why mine isn't, but if we just try that again, no, we're getting kicked out and I don't get why. So if you guys know why I'm getting kicked out, let me know in the comments, that'd be awesome. But anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'm obviously sorry that it's not really working, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to do any specific videos in the comment section down below, because obviously I'll make those videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next video.